Hey, welcome back, Tophat Smoking Barbecue. It's been a while. We've been busy. Jackson's been going to college. Haven't made a video in a while, but that's okay. We're going to make a video for you today. Well, as you can see, we have two new devices here. This is going to be like a introduction to these two machines. This is a Vevor commercial slicer. Let me come around here and show you this. You take your meat and you shove it in here, and it comes out here sliced. Instead of slicing like that, it's a top-fed slicer. These things here are extremely sharp. You do not want to put your finger on it. This is a guard. You can take that off and go like that and just drop it in. You don't want your fingers to get caught in there, though. I'll tell you that. We'll talk about this machine after a while. We're going to do a little demonstration of how this works. And this is an 850 watt slicer here. It's powerful. So we'll take some meat out of the fridge here, and we'll get set up and we'll show you how it works. Okay, hey, we're back here. We've been playing around with this. So we think we figured the bugs out. So we're going to stick this piece of meat through here and we're going to see how it reacts. There you go. Slices it right through. Gives you nice little strips like this. I think we found that you don't want to try to put too big of a piece of meat in it. You want to kind of give it a little skinnier. It jammed up on us once or twice. But it works. It's a pretty cool little machine. You don't have to sit there and slice meat. Get you like that. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you the dehydrator next. Alright, we're back over here to the dehydrator. It comes with a cookbook and it comes with a manual also. Cookbook's just, just a cookbook, whether you pay attention to it or not. So it's pretty basic. There's your start button. It starts it up. Here's your temperature button. So you can go up and down with your temperatures. So it's at 86 degrees. We can go, we've got to get it going like that where it blinks. You can go all the way up to 194. You long hold this, it'll take it to Celsius if you prefer Celsius. So it also has the time. So that's 30 minutes. It'll go up to an hour. And it'll go up all the way up to like 48 hours, I believe. There's 24, and it keeps on going. You get the picture. This is a light. Shows you in there just a light of all your racks. This is a 10 rack system. So we'll turn it off. I'll show you the inside. 10 racks. Pretty nice. You got a drip pan down here. It also comes with where do I put them? Oh, these little things when it's hot to get your trays out so you don't burn your hands. And I can already I can already feel the heat in there. It's pretty crazy. Comes with one of these silicone rack covers, I guess, so nothing falls through, and then it also comes through with a little mesh thing for your little finer things. So there it is. It's a nice looking dehydrator. We hope it works great. I don't see why it won't. And one day we'll show you the finished product. But there you go. You got your meat cutter, and you got your dehydrator from Vevor, and that's our demonstration for today. Hey, hope you liked that video. It was a lot of fun to make. Hope you guys try it out. If you'd like to subscribe, click here. If you want to watch some more videos, click here. So Tophat Smoking Barbecue, we thank you.